Work in progress. Seller just beginning rehab/updates will include paint entire interior, completely remodel kitchen, appliances, floors, countertops, cabinets, wall adjacent to den to be replaced west/peninsula/island. Refinish existing hdwd floors, install LVP in kitchen, living and dining rooms and den, carpet and frog, completely remodel the 2 baths, install new windows throughout. Newer roof and HVAC. Work to be completed October 2023. Call agent with questions.